welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Raijintek Forkis DDC Ultra CPU Pump+Block. So friend, Raijintek has introduced the Forkis DDC Ultra, a CPU auto block with an integrated pump with which you can connect a DIY liquid cooling loop using your own fittings, and with its retention module in place, it measures 80x84x45 and features a nickel-plated copper cold plate. Right above it is the POM+aluminium casing, which contains a DDC Ultra pump with 150 kPa pressure and 3.8 meter height and 750 L per H discharge rate, and along with a ceramic bearing that is rated for 50,000 hours, and the cold plate features a large microfin lattice throughout its inner surface. So the block is even optimized for MCMs such as Ryzen 7000, Raphael, and friend. The block has threads for standard 7x4 inch, and among the CPU socket types supported LGA 1700, LGA 1200, AM5 and AM4. But friend, come return reveal the pricing here. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.